Okay, so you've gotten the contract accepted. Now you have usually 10 to 14 days to do inspections. Your realtor will go insane if you ask these questions during that period. But I'm going to tell you something. You need to ask these questions. I'm going to give you a whole list. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you the number one must ask question every buyer should ask, but your realtor wishes you don't. Check for unusual property tax increases. Contact the local tax assessor's office to inquire about any upcoming property tax reassessments. Many times people have redone their home. If you walk in a home and it's beautiful and they redid the family room or whatever, ask the tax assessor if this is going to raise the taxes on the home. Investigate the neighborhood. Look for red flags. You can call the police department. See if the neighborhood is a safe neighborhood, if they get a lot of calls for crime. Walk the neighborhood. Come to the neighborhood in different hours of the day. See what the feel of that neighborhood is for you. Is it right for you? Inquire about natural disasters or environmental hazards. Is the property in a flood zone? Near any fault lines? Some people don't want to live near a gun range. Test your commute. That's going to save you a lot of stress on you if you end up buying a home and you didn't like the commute. I'm finishing with a new buyer purchasing a home and they did the commute 4 times before we signed the contract. Don't skip this step. You have 14 days. So do this. You're going to be happy you did. Ask the home sellers for a detailed maintenance history of the home. What have they done over the past 5 years to the home? It's going to give you a good idea of how these people treated their home and if it's going to need any repairs. Get all the detailed builder and contractor information that you can. You could look up the reviews on the builder, on the tradesmen who worked on the house. This will help you to be sure that you're getting quality workmanship on your house. This is going to give you a good idea of the type of work the home is going to need in the future. If you like what you're seeing, please give us a click on that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share our videos at the end. It'll help us grow our channel. I appreciate it. You can ask for utility and maintenance costs over the past 12 months. So this is very important, and you'll understand it's going to help you budget and make sure that you are in control of your expenses after you purchase the home. Any buyer should request any radon tests, pest inspections, extra inspections for the home when you're purchasing it. When your building inspector is looking at the house, ask for a utility stress test during the inspections. They'll turn all the appliances on, run the house, make sure the house is working well. Make sure you go through this whole process and understand that you have the right to do these things over the 10 to 14 days. Call your insurance agent. Tell them the house that you have under contract. Ask them to look up insurance claims history on the house. Your insurance person can look this up right away. Don't wait till the last minute like most people do and just call for insurance. Find out what it's going to cost you and if the houses have any major claims on it. That'll help you understand what you're getting into. And final super secret question that you must ask. What are the total anticipated costs for maintenance and repairs going forward? And you're going to talk to your inspector. You're going to talk to the realtor, who should have a lot of experience looking at different homes. So you're going to understand that if you buy a home, it's a fixer-upper. It's going to cost you X over the next 5 years. If you buy a home and it's a redo, it's been done, they're all new stuff, you're going to know you don't have a lot of expenses over the next 5 years. So remember, cost versus expenses is going to be an important thing. When you're buying a home, when you have that home under contract, that's your time. You can do anything. You could ask any question you want. You do all the research you want. Spend the time to do it. You're going to be happy you did. You're going to be much more comfortable moving into that home. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the work we're doing. If you do, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow. We're new. We don't have many subscribers, so we need you. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.